Welcome to my home garden. Today I'm going to be showing you how to store potatoes. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, if you could please do so, because you'll get lots of helpful hints and tips from my home garden, allotment and also my home kitchen. Now these potatoes are actually dug up from my allotment, and I'm just showing you how I store them. So first of all, I go through my potatoes and I see whether they've got any marks on them. Now, if they've not got marks on them, they go in a bag for storage, and I use a hessian sack, which after I've put them in there, I put in a cool, dark place. Any that have got marks on them, I keep separate, and I eat them first because they won't keep. Whether something's eaten them, whether I put a fork through them, or for whatever reason, I eat those first because they probably won't store. I also pick out all the smaller ones, because when you first dig them, the skins are a lot softer, and I find that if I don't scrub and eat these first, as the season goes on, these ones shrivel up more, and I then don't eat them at the end of the season. So I have another little tub that I put all the little ones in, so which again they'll be first ones to get eaten. So as you look through them, see those ones, they look fine, they can go in there. Just trying to find a damaged one, which I know I put my fork through. But any damaged ones, like I say, I keep in there. Now I use this hessian sack, and once I've separated all these, I will put them in a cool, dark place. You know, make sure it's away from any vermin, you know, so do be careful where you store them. The last thing you want is for you to open up your sack and find out that a rat's eating its way through it. Now, something that I do, I know I've got a really cool room in my house, so I will keep these in a hessian sack, and then I often keep them in a cardboard box as well for a little bit of added protection. So I do really hope that's helped with storage, and if you've got any other challenges that you're not sure about with regards to your potatoes, please do let me know and I'll do my best to help you.